Welcome to Uttarashrini's Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. In today's fast-paced world, we don't have enough time to make traditional recipes traditional way. In my Instant Pot series, I'm going to share traditional recipes that can be made within minutes. I'm going to start this series with sweet pongal. Rice, moong dal or yellow petty, clarified butter or ghee, milk, cashew nuts. I've taken some cashew nuts and fried them in ghee for extra flavor. Raisins. I have fried raisins in clarified butter. Jaggery powder. Let's begin by setting our Instant Pot into saute mode. Saute the bean until it gives out a nice fragrance. It's time to add the rice and saute until nice fragrance comes out. A nice aroma is coming from the rice and bean. I'm going to go ahead and add water. Cancel the saute mode and set Instant Pot onto pressure mode. Cook on high pressure for 8 minutes with the pressure valve in sealing position. Once the pressure releases naturally, open the lid. Add milk and mash up using a potato masher. This is the consistency we are looking at once our rice and bean is mashed. Let's add in the ground jaggery onto this. Mix it well. If you're using old jaggery, pound the jaggery, add some water, bring it to a boil, and then filter the jaggery to remove any impurities from it. Let's add in ghee or clarified butter. Mix it in thoroughly. Let's add in the fried raisins. Cashew nut. Mix it in. Let's add in some green cardamom powder. Sweet pongal is ready for serving now. Quick and easy sweet pongal is ready now. I'm transferring it into a serving dish. If you wish, you can add in more ghee or fried cashew nuts and raisin according to your taste. I hope you all enjoyed this quick and easy Instapot sweet pongal recipe. If you like my channel, like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching.